It's been years since nagkakilala tayo and parehas natin hindi in-expect na mangyari ito sa atin. I'm not talking about the fame or yung pagkakilala sa atin ng tao as on-screen partners. Higit pa doon, yung ibig sabihin. It's how we became each other's best friends and more. Ano nga bang meron sa isang James Reid? You're a guy with a kind heart. I saw how you go along with different kinds of people. Fan mo man o hindi, you treat them equally. And yun yung pinakagusto ko sa'yo. As tayo may passion for art, as tayo kumuha ng mga pictures and videos, nalala mo lahat ng mga travel videos natin. Sobrang saya and memorable. Para sa iba, simpleng travel videos lang yun. Pero para sa akin, collection yun ng you and I moments natin na forever kong i-cherish. You're my best friend. You can make me laugh by your jokes, and the way na mangulit ka sa center kapag may shoot, it always makes me smile. Best friend ka din ng lahat. You treat our friends parang family members na rin sila. Tsaka kahit anong gawin mo, kahit nasa man tayo or kahit anong maging ginagawa natin, just seeing you happy and doing great in life makes me happy as well. Happy birthday to my cross Sanford.
Aminin mo.
Ano?
May crush ka sa akin.
Nagtinatik na Newton.
One slap, one kiss. I like you.
Kay Nico Borja. Taran! Kristen Adams. Kobe Martinez.
Hindi pwedeng ewan.
Mark Medina.
Aminin mo na, Lea.
And Basti Valderrama. You're the best.